Hello hockey card collectors, this is the Scruffy Bear from Scruffybear.ca, and as you probably noticed, our background has changed a little bit. It's still in progress. Any suggestions, you can put them in the comments below. I can't guarantee they'll be used, but it's an idea. And we're still doing it when we get to 100 subscribers. You can either get this, the rookie class, which has rookie cards of Jonathan Toews, Patrick Kane, Carey Price, Nicholas Backstrom, and many more. There's like 50 in here, I believe. 50 cards. And one oversized commemorative card of a star rookie. And there you go. They started off with rookie class, and then when they went into star rookie sets. Or you could get this $100 worth of cards. There's 4 major hits in there. As I said, our background is changing, and I don't think I'll be hitting the camera anymore. We worked on some things, which is why we were away for a little bit. So sorry if everybody thought we had flown the country. Anyways, today we're going to open up 2011-12 Series 1 Hockey Blaster. It's 8 cards per pack, 8 packs per box, and an oversized. Back when they actually made good blasters. And not this 5 card thing, and if you're lucky you can get an oversized kind of thing. So couldn't stay away from you guys long anyways. So there's our 8 packs. Look in here, and yeah, and there's our oversized. Any bets on who the oversized is? And it is, oh, Cody Hodgson. I think I have that one. Okay. I've gotten these before. Yeah, I haven't got card holders yet. Every time I go to get a card holder, they say I have to make a minimum of $20 or $30 purchase, and it's the only damn thing I want. So anyways, I will eventually get card holders. This first pack. Hope everybody's doing well. Vegas won the cup. That's quite a surprise. And we got Scott Gomez, Brian Boyle, and Ryan Chloe, Nathan Gervais, and a Hockey Heroes of Gordie Howe, 50s points leaders. Interesting. Zeno Chara, Sam Gagner, and Marian Hossa. A little tongue-tied today. Okay, Christian Hulelis, Brian Giantra, Phil Kessel. Oh, when he was with the Leafs. Can you believe that? And there we go. Alex Stalick as our first young gun. We should be getting 2 in this blaster. Nathan Horton, who's still on injured reserve. And we got Yoni Pekkanen, Braden Coburn, and Nikolai Kulemin when he was with the Leafs. Okay, Blake Como, Ryan Malone, Nicholas Lidstrom. Oh, nice. Alexander Semin, or as the broadcasters first call them, Alexander Seaman. We'll not get into that. Latin dress. Canvas. Hey, interesting, neat canvas. The way they've got this. It's the first time I've seen one of their canvas from that year. Okay, and Nick Schultz. Matt Stagent. Second overall pick with the Leafs. And Mike Fisher. Shouldn't say second overall, second round for the Leafs. Justin Williams, Ryan Whitney, Tim Thomas, Eric Stahl, Duncan Keith, Daniel Sedin, Sam Fowler, and Markstrom, Jacob Markstrom. Yeah, I think that was a base pack, wasn't it? Yeah, what do you get for blaster? Okay. And we got Korpikovsky and Backus, Shea Weber, Engstrom, and Mike Ribeiro, UD Canvas. Matisse Tenenby, something like that. Taylor Hall and Peter Regan. Don't remember him being in the NHL. But then again, this is 11-12. Probably didn't stay very long in there. And we got James Reimer when he was with the Leafs. Vinoski, Drew Dowdery, and the young gun is Joe Coburn. I have that one already. Darn. Katsitsin, Franzen, Zidlicki, and Jason Spezza. So there's our two young guns today. I think I have both of them already. Oh well. And we got Steve Ott, Andreas Noodle, Jay Bowmeister, Joe Thornton, and we got all-world team Corey Perry, Dave Boland. Oh, that was before he was a Leaf. Ryan O'Brien and Corey Snyder. Last pack. Shattenkirk, Bobby Butler, Blake Wheeler, and Ultimate Team Steve Stamkos. Interesting. Brendan Morrow, Goligoski, John Tavares when he was with the Islanders, and Okposo when he was with the Islanders, and now is with Buffalo, I believe. And that's it, guys. Get a blaster here. You get some Ultimate Team Steve Stamkos. I don't even know, is that numbered? No, it's not numbered. And All-World Team Corey Perry, Joe Coburn, Young Gun, Mike Ribeiro, UD Canvas, and Latin Dress, UD Canvas, and Alec Stalak, Young Guns, and a hockey hero of Gordie Howe, 1950s point leader. So that's it. If you like the video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos, subscribe. Or if you want to be in our giveaway, which I mentioned earlier. And if you have something you want to add, or you want to make some suggestions for the new look, leave them in the comments. Until then, till the next break, and I promise I won't be away so long. Bye now.